Yeah,
Good morning, sir.
yeah, yes, Mama Devi. Okay. So what did we learn yesterday, ma? Java? So we have discussed if conditions.
If and loops, sir, loops.
Yeah. So we discussed if condition,
Which statement?
then switch case statement,
While loop.
loops. Loops also we discussed only while loop,
While
right?
loop. Yes, sir, only while.
Okay. So how do you write an if condition? Now, if condition syntax is like yeah. So this is how we write an if condition, right? Like if the condition, yeah, if the condition is true, if the condition satisfies what to do, if the condition is false, else what to do. So here if condition will execute only one time, right? Either true condition or false condition. Yeah, this is multiple else if conditions, right? Yeah, multiple else if conditions. So we have seen some examples also yesterday. This is a multiple else if conditions, right? If age 1 greater than 2 and age 1 greater than age 3, this is the eldest. Else, at least if age 2 greater than age 3, this is the eldest. If both not matches, obviously the third is the eldest, right? Some 1 and 2 both doesn't match, then 3 is the eldest, right? Like that. So even we have seen example of a grade, right? If score greater than 80, what to do? Else if greater than 60, what to do? Else if greater than 50, what to do? Else if greater than 35, what to do? If no if matches, else what to do, right? Yeah, this is how we write if else if conditions. Then switch case also we have seen an example like a day of the week. If you take this example, so what the syntax, what we write switch, we write a variable, right? Switch variable, then case value 1. That means if the variable has this value, what to do? Or if the variable has 2, what to do? If 3, what to do? 4, what to do? 5. So like this, you can use, switch case statement. Yeah, then I think we started with loop statement. Yeah, in loops, we have seen only while loop. So while loop, how many times it will execute? It will execute if the condition is true. Yeah, 2 times or 3 times or 5 times or we don't know. It depends on till the condition is satisfied. So till the condition is satisfied, loop will execute. Once the condition is false, it will stop. Okay, loop will run while the condition is true. Once the condition is false, it will stop. Okay, yeah. But remember, whenever you write a loop statement, when you write a loop statement, you need to understand. Yeah, so when a loop statement is written, so when we write a loop, so you have to be careful with the condition, right? The condition is important. So when it has to, when it will be fail, right? Fail. So to stop. So that condition you have to be careful, right? At greater than or less than so less than or equal to na, greater than or equal to na, equal to na. So you have to be careful, right, with that condition when you write. Because when you see the example when you are telling yesterday, but I am taking I value is length minus 1. That means I value is initially 10, right? Yeah, initially I value is 10. So I have to continue. Yeah, if I value is greater than or equal to 0. Once it becomes less than 0, we have to stop. Because we cannot read minus characters, right? Yes or not? Maybe if you put, for example, mistakenly if you put I less than or equal to, yeah, if I say I less than or equal to 10, if I write like this, what will happen? Yeah, come on, what will happen, Chapandi?
Sir, 1 second.
Yeah, if you write I less than or equal to 10, what happens?
Print 10, 9, 8, 6.
So here it will be The character
Right, but is there any stop for the loop or it is infinity?
infinite loop.
Infinite, sir.
Infinite loop, right? So there is no stopping here. That's what. So when you write a loop, it's important, right? So condition is important. When it will be fail and when it has to stop. That is important, right? So here it is going infinity. This is wrong logic, right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
have to continue if I is greater than equal to 0. Once it is less than 0, you have to stop. So you have to say while I greater than equal to 0, please continue. So once it becomes less than 0, stop the loop. Okay, right? Yeah, is this okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, and can next. Yeah, I gave some assignments yesterday. Any update on that? Yeah, I gave some questions right yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Something, percentage if the student can take exam or not.
Mm.
DPR. Yeah, did you do the programs, ma, Rama?
Yes, sir. But I got one error in one program, sir.
We'll see.
Okay. Can I share, sir?
Yes, 1 second. Yeah, you can share it now. Yeah, open Eclipse. So what are the programs? The first program is no. I gave STR is not gender, right? STR you have to take male or female.
Here.
అంతే కదా జెండర్ అనేది ఏమ్మా జెండర్ అని తీసుకుంటే దానివల్ల ఈ STR is you are not used nowhere in the program, right?
Yes, sir.
మరి అక్కడ లాజిక్ ఏంటి వేరియబుల్ కూడా మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వేరియబుల్ తీసుకోండి స్ట్రింగ్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ STR యూ టేక్ జెండర్ వేరియబుల్ నేమే జెండర్ అని మార్చండి అది STR కాదు
Here.
I asked you to take string space gender, right? Gender is the variable, right?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు జెండర్ ఈక్వల్ టు
Male or female?
మేల్ ఆర్ ఫీమేల్ అలా తీసుకోవాలి కదా లేదంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ రైట్ స్ట్రింగ్ జెండర్ ఈక్వల్ టు మేల్ ఆర్ ఫీమేల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ రైట్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ లైన్ అదే లైన్ లో రాసేయండి రిమూవ్ ద లైన్ నెంబర్ 8 జెండర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అక్కడే రాసేయండి డైరెక్ట్ జెండర్ ఈక్వల్ టు మా ఆల్రెడీ జెండర్ ఉంది కదమ్మా మళ్ళీ జెండర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వస్తారు equal to put in the double quotes what is that male or female, right? Then what is the logic I told? If age greater than equal to
Greater than 18.
and అని చెప్పాను రాశాను కదమ్మా and అక్కడ if condition లో అమ్మా if condition లో if age greater than equal to
18
and means what do you write? 2 ampersand symbol.
2 ampersand.
And gender equal to comparison what do you write? Single equal to double equal to
Double equals to.
Gender equal to write in the double quotes male, right? Male. So male is eligible for driving license. The 10th line or 11th line you remove it. Remove the 10th line and 11th line. 11th line కూడా remove చేయండి.
1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5.
Yeah, remove that empty line also. Yeah, అక్కడ else if రాయండి. Else if space if else if age greater than equal to 20 and gender equal to female. Yeah, eligible for driving license. Else no one is eligible for license like that. అది ఫీమేల్ అని కాకుండా Line number 13 ma. అక్కడ డబుల్ కోట్స్ లో వాడి రైట్ ఎల్స్ అది రాసేయండి అది సిస్టమ్ డాట్ అవుట్ డాట్ ప్రింట్ లో వాడి రైట్
Else no one is eligible
no
for.
one is not eligible for license like that. Yeah, no one is eligible for license.
Is not eligible for license.
అలా no one no not అట్లా ఉండదు ఇంగ్లీష్ సెంటెన్స్ no one is eligible for
No one is eligible.
not తీసేయండి
Okay, sir. No one is
ఇది కదా
eligible.
ప్రోగ్రామ్
Yes, sir. Okay.
yeah save the program and run it. Now what it should display, age is 19 and gender is female.
Female.
Right now, no one is eligible for for license.
No one eligible for license.
But if you give something gender female, if age is if you give 20 or 21, no female is eligible for license, right? Okay, Japandi, you have to save that and run. Right?
Female is eligible for driving. Okay.
Yeah, all of you like this. I asked program. Age is greater than 18 and gender is male. Else if age is greater than 20 and gender is female, else like that I asked the condition, right? Okay, next what is another program? If num1 greater than num2, num1 is greatest number, else num2 is greatest number. Okay. If year percentage 4, if it is equal to 0, it is leap year, else not a leap year, right? Okay. Yeah, if L equal to B, it is a square, else it is a rectangle. మళ్ళా if ఎందుకు అదే చెప్తుంది కదా రెండు సేమ్ అయితే ఎలాగో స్క్వేర్ అంటది కదా మళ్ళీ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ స్క్వేర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ రెక్టాంగిల్ ఎందుకు మళ్ళీ remove line number 13 14 15 16 17 all lines. Yeah, that itself, right? If L equal to B, avunu mala length breadth enduku two variables. If you have taken L B, what is the purpose of length and breadth? First two variables ma length breadth enduku, again you have taken L and B, right? ఏదో ఒకటే ఉండాలి కదా ఏదో లెంత్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఆర్ ఎల్ అండ్ బి రైట్ కాదు మరమ్మా ఏదర్ ఎల్ అండ్ బి అన్నా ఉండాలి లేదా లెంత్ అండ్ బ్రెడ్త్ అన్నా ఉండాలి కదా 4 వేరియబుల్స్ ఎందుకని అడుగుతున్నాను
Remove line 6.
అదన్నా రిమూవ్ చేయండి
There is no initial.
మార్చండి
Okay, sir. I will remove this one.
దాన్ని రిమూవ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళా లెంత్ ఈక్వల్ టు బ్రెడ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు అని రాయాలి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇఫ్ లెంత్ ఈక్వల్ టు బ్రెడ్త్ అని రాయాలి
Now shall I remove 7 and 8 lines?
No, remove line 6. That is enough. Remove line 6.
Only lines.
You have taken length as L and breadth as B. That's it.
B.
లేదంటే మీరు లెంత్ బ్రెడ్త్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇంటి ఎల్ అని తీసుకోకుండా డైరెక్ట్లీ లెంత్ ఈక్వల్ టు
Length is equals to 32. Breadth is okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now here I will length is equals to 32.
మళ్ళీ ఇంట్ అని డిక్లేర్ చేయం కదా 2 times we don't declare a variable, right? ఏం మామ్
Remove int in the 7th line. Here.
here ed
Okay.
Here,
There itself, but next to length you write equal to the value.
here only.
Next
In
to
6th
length.
line.
And next to breadth you write the value.
ఇది ముందు ఎలా చేశారు మా ఇప్పుడు ఇంత ముందు ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో మీరు రాసినట్టు రాస్తే అలాగే రాసేయచ్చు కదా
Yes, sir. Instead of L, I will write length is equals to some number and breadth is equals to some number.
రాయాలి కదా లెంత్ ఈక్వల్ టు రాయండి అక్కడ సెమీకోలన్ పెట్టి ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నారు లెంత్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ వాల్యూ
Here breadth is equals to
సెమీకోలన్
semicolon.
ఎక్కడ సెమీకోలన్ Yeah, ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి? If length వేరియబుల్ నేమ్స్ మార్చాలి కదా, లెంత్
length is equals to, okay.
యా రెండు సేమ్ అయితే స్క్వేర్, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్
It is a rectangle. One more program. Student attendance present.
వాట్ ఈస్ CH అంటే ఏంటి?
Class held. This CATT means
అటెండెడ్. ఓకే,
attended.
క్లాస్ అటెండెడ్.
Attended.
పర్సంటేజ్.
Percentage.
Class attended by class held into 100%.
Into 100.
If PF
Percentage is greater than
75
equals to 75.
eligible for exam, else not eligible for exam. Okay. Last is the total cost.
So this is, I'm not getting sir this one.
Quantity, discount, total. Okay. Unit cost 100 అన్నాను కదా. I already told unit cost is 100, right?
Here I will be 100.
So
If
అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాలి? TC equal to అట్లా చెప్పాలి కదా. దాని ముందే TC equal to. How మా మీరు ఇప్పుడు క్వాంటిటీ అనే వేరియబుల్ ఎందుకు డిక్లేర్ చేసినట్టు మీరు? ఇప్పుడు లైన్ నెంబర్ 6 లో ఇంట్ క్వాంటిటీ అని ఎందుకు డిక్లేర్ చేశారు మీరు రమా? హలో, ఇప్పుడు క్వాంటిటీ అని చెప్పిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంట్ క్యూ ఎందుకు? 2 సార్లు ఎందుకు డిక్లేర్ చేస్తున్నారు? వేరియబుల్ సేమ్ పర్పస్.
Okay, here I am writing quantity.
అలా రాయాలి, లేదంటే అక్కడన్నా తీసేయాలి. 2 సార్లు 2 వేరియబుల్స్ ఎందుకు? సేమ్ పర్పస్ కోసం.
But you are getting error.
Obviously సేమ్ వేరియబుల్ 2 సార్లు డిక్లేర్ చేయగలుగుతారా క్వాంటిటీ అని?
Now I will remove this 7th line, sir.
కాదమ్మా, 7th లైన్ లో ఇంట్ అనే వర్డ్ తీసేయండి. 2 టైమ్స్ మీరు వేరియబుల్ డిక్లేర్ చేయగలుగుతారా? ఇంట్ క్వాంటిటీ మరి. సో సార్ డిక్లేర్ చేసిన తర్వాత యూ హావ్ టు అసైన్ ఎ వాల్యూ, రైట్?
Okay, sir. Here also I have to remove int.
Oh, you have to change also to quantity.
Okay, quantity.
పైన డిక్లేర్ చేయండి వాట్ యు కాల్ యూనిట్ UC అని.
I see.
టోటల్ కాస్ట్ కమా UC.
You see, now here I have to change int.
TC కమా ఇప్పుడు యూనిట్ క్వాంటిటీ ఈక్వల్ టు 100. If quantity into unit cost, right? Variable name ఏముంది? Q కాదు కదా. What is the variable name?
Quantity here.
Quantity into unit quantity greater than equal to 1000 అయితే అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? డిస్కౌంట్. మరి when if condition has multiple lines, you need to put that in a curly braces, right? ఇప్పుడు if condition లో multiple lines ఉన్నప్పుడు you have to press next line. Yeah, open the curly braces. The curly braces before if else part. A last 14th line తర్వాత enter press చేయండి. There you close the bracket. Yeah. So if statement, when there are multiple lines, you need to put in a curly braces, right?
Okay.
So discount equal to mala 10 ఏంటది? What is the 10?
10% discount, sir. Here I have to write quantity.
అట్లా రాస్తారా?
Discount means quantity into unit cost by 100.
By 100 అట్లా రాస్తామా? Okay.
Here you are giving 10%
quantity into unit cost, right? Into 10 by 100 అట్లా రాయాలి. 10 into అట్లా రాయాలి.
Okay.
కరెక్టే కానీ బట్ when you write,
okay. Here I have to write 10
into 10 by 100, right?
Yes, sir.
10 by 100. Then total cost is you say
quantity.
అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేసి ఉండాలి? డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇప్పుడు TC అనే వేరియబుల్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా టోటల్ కాస్ట్ అని.
Yes, sir.
అప్పుడు అక్కడ మీరు బిగినింగ్ లో లైన్ నెంబర్ 9 లైన్ లో TC ఈక్వల్ టు క్వాంటిటీ ఇంటూ UC చెప్పండి.
TC
Total cost
equals
equal to
into
quantity
quantity
into unit cost, right?
yes, sir, unit cost UC
Semicolon.
semicolon.
And but directly you write if TC greater than 1000 right? Mali a calculation enduku. Line number 10 lo kuda in line number 10 also you can write TC greater than
TC
1000.
greater than I see.
Already calculated value is there in the TC, right?
Yes. TC is greater than 1000.
Extra bracket or close చేసేసారు, remove the bracket. 1000 అయితే then ఇక్కడ direct discount equal to
TC into 10 by 100.
Then you say TC equal to TC minus discount, right?
Discount, sir.
Yeah, next line we write down. So the system data of that println. Yeah, right in the brackets. Yeah, double quotes. Yeah, the total cost to paid is.
Total cost is paid.
Paid is, yeah, double quotes after plus symbol పెట్టి జాయిన్ చేయడానికి ఏం రాస్తారు
after double quotes plus symbol. Yes. TC
ఈజ్ తర్వాత స్పేస్ ఇవ్వండి ఇన్ ద డబుల్ కోట్స్. ఎల్స్ అదే లైన్ కాపీ, ఎల్స్ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది మా ఇక్కడ. అదే లైన్ కాపీ చేయండి, లైన్ నెంబర్ 15. కెన్ యూ కాపీ? Copy, remove this line 18 line number మొత్తం సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. Paste it here, Control V. Select the entire program, Control A. Program Control I.
Control I.
Yeah, program indent చేయాలి కదా, alignment properly.
Yes, control.
Now save the program and run.
The total cost is paid.
Yeah, because it is not greater than 1000, right?
Yes, sir.
అదే quantity 12 తీసుకుంటే, because you said greater than 1000 అయితే చేయమన్నారు. 1000 అయితే
here I okay, sir. I got it.
Yeah, ఇక్కడ మీరు when you are declaring a variables, you please observe why you are declaring two variables for same purpose.
Okay, sir. Now I got it, sir.
Sir, yellow sir declare sir. మరి length ఎందుకు, l ఎందుకు?
Okay.
ఇక్కడ కూడా quantity ఎందుకు, q ఎందుకు?
Okay, sir. I got it. Okay, sir. Now I got it.
అర్థమైందా? If you
yes, sir.
సో ఇంకొంచెం ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్ యొక్క కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉన్నారు.
Sir.
Okay, and also when if condition has a multiple statements, you have to put
We have to
braces like this.
Okay,
A single line unte optional gani, but always make a habit of putting in curly braces. After else also, idi kuda oka single line aina make a habit of putting in curly braces.
Okay.
After else, after line number 17 else kadamma 17 there is one line, right? Enter.
Yes. Enter.
Curly braces open cheyandi.
Now here I have to close.
Single line kuda close cheyandi, curly braces. అక్కడ ఎంటర్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఎస్, అక్కడ కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ క్లోజ్ చేయండి. సో మేక్ ఎ హ్యాబిట్ ఆఫ్ అది వన్ లైన్ అయినా మేక్ ఎ హ్యాబిట్ ఆఫ్ పుట్టింగ్ ఇన్ కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ వాట్ వి హావ్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్. ఓకే, ఇంతేనా? దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, రైట్? BPR, greatest number, right? Attendance. Okay. So why you created two projects?
Where, sir? This one before this in class I have
Right click on the project, right click on string,
string.
right click చేయండి,
Uh,
delete.
build.
Delete ఉంది కదమ్మా.
Delete, sir. Okay.
One second. A checkbox కూడా select చేయండి, delete project from hard disk. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Stop share, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this is okay, all of you. How to write a program?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So when you are declaring a variable, I am declaring, let's say for example, int num1. Yeah, see what is this question? For given two numbers, display the calculated value, right? Hello, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for given two numbers, display the calculated value. Num1 I declared it, then I am assigning a value.
Assigning values.
You can directly assign a value in the single line, or you can do like this: num1 equal to 10, num2 equal to 5. You can do like this.
Okay.
That is also okay. No sir, first you are declaring, then you are initializing.
Initially.
Then again I cannot declare, right, int num1 equal to 10, because I can't declare same variable twice kada.
Okay.
So that is what you are trying to do mistake. You are trying to declare same variable twice. Okay, this is error kadamma. You cannot declare duplicate kadamma.
Duplicate.
Local variable num1, right? So first you declare, then you only assign the value. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So like this you understand. Other mistakes what you are doing is num1, but again you are declaring into n1 equal to 10 and again n2 equal to 5, like that. Now why is num1 num2, why n1 n2 again? This is wrong kada. Why 4 variables you are declaring? Okay, there is no purpose, right? I think koncha observation you do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so like this we have understood if conditions and then loops, all of you. Yeah, so what is the loop we have seen yesterday? Only while loop, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. Only one.
Yeah. Okay, next we have do while is there. Yeah, do while we write like this. Do, we write some programming.
Later conditions.
Yeah, then we can say while condition semicolon. No? There is a semicolon here. Do, we write some coding, while some condition. Are they while loop along to how is the while loop? While
Condition. Program.
condition, we write a coding like this. This is the difference, right?
Yes.
See, both loops will do the same thing. How many times the while loop will run? Loop will run while the condition is
True.
once false, it will stop, right? This is also same thing. Loop will run while the condition is
True.
same. This also will do the same thing. Loop will run while the condition is true. Once false, it will stop. Same thing. This loop also will do the same thing. But what is the main difference here? This while loop is first what is happening?
Condition.
First check the condition, then run the code, right? See here what is happening? First check the condition, then run the code, right?
Yes.
But here what is happening?
First run.
I said first to do it. I said do it, right? Do first. Then check the condition, right?
Yes.
So first run the code, then check the condition, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the difference between these two. Now let us we see an example. Yeah, in this loop, same example. Okay, otherwise I don't want to disturb this. Let me write another program, right? New class, loop underscore example 2. Main method. Yeah, same thing, ma. Let us say I want to print numbers from 1 to 10. Yeah, 1 to 10 I want to print means what is initial number?
1.
1.
Initial is 1, right?
Okay.
So what I will declare int?
N is
N is equals to
Equal to
1.
1 initially. Yeah, then I have to say do, right?
Mm.
Do. So system dot out dot println n.
Okay.
Yeah, then we have to say n.
N plus plus.
N plus plus.
We have to increment it.
Mm.
What is the condition while
While
n
Is greater than or equal to 10.
equals to 10.
greater than equal to
10.
10?
While N
Chapandi, is it greater? No, what is n value initially?
1.
1.
Then we said do it. It will print 1, right?
Mm.
Then it will become
2.
is 2 greater than 10?
No.
No.
No, right?
Mm.
So
Yes.
Chapandi, what is that?
Less than or equal.
Equals
N
less than
less than or equal
or
to?
equals to 10.
ఇలాగ రాయాలి. Less than or equal to 10 means continue.
Mm.
So once greater than 10 means stop. So now it is printing numbers from 1 to 10. That's all, ma?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we are displaying n value. First to do it, then increment like that. So somewhere it will becomes 11. So 11 is not less than 10. So it will stop, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Again, if you have told greater than equal to 10, what happens?
1. Only 1.
It will print 1, then it will
1.
become 2. 2 is not greater than 10. Stop, right?
Mm.
So what output you will get? You will get only 1, right?
1 and
Only 1.
One.
Yes.
mm.
First to do it, it will print 1. Then it will become 2. Now you're checking the condition, right? Is 2 greater than 10? No. Stop. Yeah. So this is the problem, right? So you should write what you call n less than or equal to 10. Okay. So this is also executing for 10 times, right? 1 to 10. Yeah. The same thing while loop is also doing, right? Yesterday we did like this. N less than or equal to 10, print n plus plus. This is also printing numbers from 1 to 10. Yeah, all of you, this is also printing numbers from 1 to 10, right?
Yes.
Yeah, now this is also printing numbers from 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Yeah, but what is the main difference between these two?
Once without the checking the condition, the print is happening first time.
Okay.
In do while it will
Okay, for example, int n equal to I write 12. I'm writing a condition while n less than or equal to 10. I'm asking to display the n value. I said n plus plus. Yeah, what is the output of this?
Nothing.
Errors.
Error.
Nothing, sir.
Things.
Nothing, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No output because n value is 12 initially. Is 12 less than 10?
No.
No.
No. So no output, right?
Mm.
Yeah, nothing is executed. But if I say int n equal to 12, I said do. Then we try to display the n value. We say n plus plus.
Yes.
Now the same thing while n less than or equal to 10. Now what is the output?
12 printed.
First to do it. First to do. Do means it will print n value 12.
12.
Then it will become 13.
Yeah.
So is 13 less than 10? No.
No.
stop the loop. So what is the main difference here?
The statements are
So even if the condition is not satisfied, yeah, even if the condition is not, yeah, even the condition is not satisfied, do while will execute at least
One time.
time. Yes, all of you. Do you understand, all of you, this statement?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you take a while loop, the condition is not satisfied, so not even one time executed. But here also, even if the condition is not satisfied, it executed at least one time.
Yes, sir.
So this is the difference between while and do while. Okay. Okay, please let me know this topic is understood. Difference between while and do while.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, next one.
Example.
Yeah, you have seen, right, just now what happened here. Do while also same thing, right?
Okay. Another.
What? Yeah, anything you can write while or do while, but at least if you want to run for one time first and then check condition, go with do while, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, next. So when you write a while loop statement, what is this actually? What did we do? Int n equal to 12 means what did you do? This is initialize, right? What is this called as? We are initializing, right? N equal to 12.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is n less than or equal to 10 is?
Checking
Condition.
the condition.
This is condition, right?
Yes.
What is this n plus plus is?
Increment.
Increment.
Yeah, now this is initialize, this is condition, this is increment, right?
Yes, sir.
Can we write all that in the same line? Int n equal to 12, semicolon, condition n less than or equal to 10, semicolon n plus plus, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is initialize, this is condition, this is increment, right?
Yes, sir.
All we are writing in the same line. Then this is how we write in a for loop. For like this we write. So now if you see the syntax of for loop, what is that? For loop syntax. How do you write for loop syntax?
Initialized condition and increment of decrement.
Initialize semicolon, then condition semicolon, then either increment or decrement, right? And whatever it is. So based on you are iterating from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Based on that, you do either initialize or condition or increment or decrement. That's all right. Is this okay, mother syntax? Now you tell me the same example here. Here, same example. How you write in a for loop? For what do you write, ma? For int
I equal to 1
n equal to 1.
N
less than
Less
or
than or
N
equals to 10.
N
plus
plus
plus.
plus, right?
Plus plus.
That's all. So if you write what you call system.out.println, n, right?
yes.
This is okay. Now this loop also will print numbers from 1 to 10. Same logic, right? So you understood the syntax difference between them? While, do while, and then for loop.
yes.
Okay. Okay, say inside. Okay, now this syntax is understood. All of you, please observe. Any questions in this? Do, while, for loop. Okay. Now remember, inside a loop, we can have another loop if you want. Inside a loop, we can have another loop, or inside a loop, there can be if condition. Yeah, you can have anything, sir. Okay, inside one loop, there can be one more loop also.
Yes.
I mean, inside a loop, there can be one more loop. Inside loop, there can be if condition. Inside if there can be loop. Yeah, it all depends on, how you are, what is the purpose, right? What is the functionality you want to do, right? Okay, inside one loop, you can have one more loop. Like that, you can have. Okay. Okay. Now tell me the same example. What did you write here? So you are reading this string, right? Yeah, let me copy this. You write in while loop, right? No class. Yeah, the same thing, how you read a string from the reverse. Can you write using for loop? The same example. Can you tell me how to write using for loop?
Or first
For, okay, initially there should be a string, right?
strings.
String str equal to programming. Okay, no problem. Yeah, there is an error because we can't declare the same variable twice, right? Hello, can you declare same variable twice?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, right?
No, no,
Can't
No,
declare.
sir.
no. You can
No, that's
comment
fine.
it.
Okay.
Comment it and then.
Yeah. Okay, we cannot declare same variable twice, right?
Why?
This is an error. Yeah, that's okay. We will remove one of it later. Okay. We'll remove one of it. Okay, no problem. But tell me that how to write a for loop here. For this is initialize, right?
Int I,
For int I equal to what do you write?
Here dot length
Length minus 1
semicolon
semicolon. What is the condition? I
greater than or equal to 0.
0 semicolon I.
Minus.
That's all. Now here, if you write what you call system dot out dot println str dot caret of I. Can I delete this code now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now same thing, right? str are declared. This is initialized. This is a condition. This is decrement, right? So what it is printing? It is printing all in reverse, right? Okay. Now instead of printing, can I store that all that reverse in one more variable? The reverse matam can I store in one more variable?
yes, sir.
Yeah, that means I have to take one more variable, right?
String one.
String s2 equal to some empty I will take. Only this I will take s1 meaningful, right? S1, S2, right?
Yes, sir.
This is S1 dot. Some meaningful, right? S1 is this one. S2 is initially what is S2?
No, sir.
Nothing, empty.
Nothing empty.
Initially S2 is empty, right? All of you, initially S2 is empty, right?
Yes, sir.
Now instead of printing this, can I do one thing? S2 equal to S2 plus. Can I do like this?
S1.
Yeah, whatever one character I'm taking, right? What character will take my first time?
Peace.
First time it will take G, right?
G.
G, I am joining into S2, right?
Yes.
So now what is S2 will have? Empty
G.
plus
G.
empty plus G. Next time?
And
G.
NG.
G plus N, right?
Yes.
G plus
GN.
N. So what will get? Gn, right?
GN.
Next time Gn plus
I.
I.
Gni.
M.
Next time Gni plus M. So like that, one character we are taking from S1 and joining into S2, right?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes.
are we trying to do? Take one character from S1 and join into
S2.
Yeah, join into S2, right? So if S2 will have all the reverse.
Yes, yes,
After
yes.
this is over, if I try to display what is S2, so now S2 is having reverse of that string, right? All of us.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next thing, I want to check is S1 S2 both are same? How do you compare S1 and S2 both same or not? To compare what statement we have to write?
Equal.
If S1 dot matches, if S1 matches S2, that means if both matches. S1 matches with S2, if both matches, both are same, then what I am telling? Then I will tell. In one terminology what you call palindrome. Palindrome string means reverse also if it is same, then it is called as a palindrome.
Palindrome. Yes, sir.
I'll say it is a palindrome. Else?
Not palindrome.
Not a palindrome. Now, do you think that is it a palindrome string?
No.
No,
Yes,
it is
yes.
not a palindrome. Not a palindrome.
It is not.
But if you take another string, like for example, if you take this one,
Yes.
Yes, it's a palindrome.
now the reverse is also same, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah, it is a palindrome. Reverse read చేసిన same కదా.
yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, like that some strings. Madam, peep, race car,
Karthik.
Karthik ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? What is that? Madam, peep, race car. What else?
Pizza.
Huh?
Tomato.
Tomato will not come.
ఎట్లా వస్తుంది?
Tomato will not come.
Okay. So like that, if you take some strings, right? The reverse is also same. Okay. Yeah. So this is what, right? Yeah. Now let me change this program name.
నీకు పిక్చర్ మీకు మేడం పూజకి ఏమన్నా నాటికి నాటి దగ్గర
Yeah. This is okay, ma. What is a palindrome string? So what did we do? We are taking reverse of a string into S2. Then we are checking, right? If S1, S2 both matches means it is a palindrome, else not a palindrome. Right? Yeah. See how you are writing a logic. There is a for loop, then we wrote if condition. Okay, now let us try some more examples in this.
So we can use S1 equals to S2 equals to.
Double
Not-
equal. Yeah.
Can we use for string with equal to?
Yeah, you can use double equal to, right? Equal to equal to.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, but suppose I have a string. There is a string str equal to. Yeah, there is a string which is having combination of characters and digits, right?
Yes, sir.
I want to take only digits in this. Then I want to take only digits in this. So how to write a logic?
Int.
Okay, first you tell me how to start from reading from first character to last character. Now, when you are reading from first character to last character, what is the index starts from?
0.
0, right? Yeah, tell me.
For int I.
For int I equal to
0.
Zero.
0.
I less than or equal to
No, less than or equal to means
string length.
less than str dot length, right?
Okay, sir.
That's all.
Okay,
If
okay.
you say less than or equal to, then you have to say minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, sir.
Minus.
Yeah.
You have to say minus 1.
Mm.
Otherwise, what you can do? Less than means that anyhow, whatever the length minus 1 only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I plus plus.
Yes, yes.
Now, how to take one single character in this? Japan, how to take one single character?
Character at 0. Character
str dot.
Caret 0.
Carrot.
Caret of I, right?
I.
But every time in a loop, what happens? First time caret of 0, then caret of 1, caret of 2, caret of 3, caret of 4, like this, right? So it will take one character from the given string. Yes, it will take one character in the given string, right?
Yes, yes.
But now, say we said in Java there are built-in classes, right? But string is an existing class in Java.
Yes.
All of you must string is an existing class, right, in Java.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It has some methods, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you all of you know the class has.
Class of methods.
Classes methods. Yes.
Class
sir.
has methods. Yeah. Now in Java there is a built-in class called character. There is a class called character. So what you can write if character dot. See, there is a method what you call is. See something there that is alphabetic, like is digit. See, there is one method called is digit. Is digit, what it will give me?
Boolean character.
Boolean, true or false, right? So if the character, if the character is a digit, means it will be true. Otherwise, it is
False.
Can I say str dot caret of I? Means I am taking one single character. So if it is a digit, this str dot caret of I. If it is a digit, means you display. Otherwise, no need to display, right?
Yes.
Can I write to this condition? What you call str dot caret of I? That's all. Now there is no else part, right, in this. If it is
Yes,
a digit, you display. Else nothing. No need to do anything, right? Like this is a simple if, right, without else part.
Yes. Yes, sir.
This is simple if, right, without else. Yeah, now I wrote a for loop. Inside a for loop, there is an if condition, right? If something matches, what to do. See, now run the program. See, now we got only digits in that string. Yeah, see, we are displaying only digits, right? 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 9, 3, 2, like this. Only digits it is displaying. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this, man, now it is displaying only digits, right?
Digits. Yes.
Like this. This is okay, Amma?
Sir, ఇంకోసారి చెప్పండి సార్ క్యారెక్టర్ డాట్ ఈజ్ డిజిట్ సార్ ఇస్ కోడ్
Character is a class which has is digit is a method, right?
ఎస్
The is digit changes, so it will check whether the given character is a digit or not. But the digit అయితే then now I have to display, right?
ఓకే
I only I is a digit.
నో
No, like that. W is a digit? No. Like that, if it comes one by one character, we are taking right in a loop. I starts from 0 to length of the string. I'm taking one character, right? Yeah,
Yes.
then it will check 8. 8 is a digit? Yes, right? Then display. 3 is a digit, display. Like that. D, J, these are not digits. Again, 2 is a digit, 3 is a digit, 4 is a digit. Display them.
సార్ క్యారెక్టర్ కావాలంటే సార్
3 is alphabetic, right? There is a method, right? Is digit bottle, what is that? There is a method called what you call E is alphabetic, right?
Yes.
There is a method, right? E is alphabetic.
Or we can
Then it
write,
will display only alphabets, right?
else. No, sir, else it will come.
Yeah. Now it is displaying only alphabets, no?
Okay.
Sir, it will filter special character also, sir.
No, if it is not alphabetic, if it is not digit, then you display it as a special character. ఇప్పుడు ఇదే లాజిక్ లో టెల్ మీ ఇది ఆల్ఫాబెటా డిజిటా స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టరా చెప్పాలంటే వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ యూ రైట్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్
Sir, we
ఆల్ఫాబెటిక్
can
అయితే
provide.
str character 5 plus you write some space e is a right ma is a
Character.
character only else if what is it character dot
Is digit.
is digit str dot character 5 if it is a digit అయితే then you display
It's a digit.
what you write
Something is digit.
write it what is that
It is a digit.
అది డిజిట్ కాదు ఆల్ఫాబెట్ కాదంటే ఎల్స్
Special character.
is a special character that's all right
So if there is a
what it
space,
is saying when you display అయింది కదా whatever the output right I is a character this is a character this is a digit this is a digit this is a character this is a digit either some special character you take here I will take some an ampersand okay here I will take some hash what it's saying ampersand is a special character right hash is a special character
Yes.
condition kada if it is alphabetic means alphabetic if it is not alphabetic or if it is not digit then it is a special character only okay
Yes. Okay.
or spaces also can be recognized, right?
yeah if it is a space also it's a special character only
Oh, okay.
okay anything apart from character and digit anything is a special character
Sir, but we are
So after hash or something, if we give space, that will take as the space is a special character. Like that, we will get the output.
yes ma
Okay.
if you want to put one more if condition if it is double equal to space if it is empty then you say it's a space so if రాయండి good మీ ఇష్టమే కదమ్మా it's all depends on your logic right what are you writing
Yes, sir. Yes.
if what you write str dot character 5 if it is equal to double equal to if it is an empty space
It's
what
a
do you write if it is empty space then what do you write
character is a space.
so it's a one single character right
Yes.
so if it is a space then what do you write అదే మరి space is రాయలేం కదా it is a
Space. That's it.
it is a space and ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడైనా మిడిల్ లో ఒక స్పేస్ ఉంటే then what is that will happen రైట్ ఎక్కడో చోట రాసి ఉంటుంది it is a space right
Mm.
it depends on your logic of writing కదమ్మా
Yes, sir.
okay
sir, if suppose if we want to only see the output as digits only,
ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎందుకు మా ఇంతకుముందు ఒక కండిషన్ రాసాం కదమ్మా ఇవన్నీ తీసేసి అప్పుడు ఏం రాసాం ఫస్ట్ లో
ఇది ఒక్క కండిషన్
ఒకే ఒక కండిషన్ రాసాం కదా ఫస్ట్ లో ఇఫ్ ఏం రాసామ్మా ఇఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్ డాట్
క్యారెక్టర్ డాట్ ఈజ్ డిజిట్
character dot is digit str dot character 5 it is a digit అయితే then display only it's a digit
డిజిట్ సిస్టమ్
రాసాం కదా str dot character 5 అని ఇదే కదా ఫస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ వాట్ ఐ రోట్ హియర్
ఎస్ సార్
Sir, one more thing, we can display ascending and descending order calculations.
అది చూద్దాం when we say how do you sort the values
Okay.
because we have not learned arrays sorting we did not learn
Yes.
okay కదమ్మా
Okay.
ఫర్
ఏమ్మా సుప్రియ
yes sir, okay sir.
This is only digits you want, only one if condition is enough, right?
Okay, okay.
Because you people are asking me how to take character, alphabets, special character, space, that's why these different if condition every time.
Okay.
If it is alphabet, it is a character. If it is a digit, I am displaying. If space, space. Ledante special character.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next like that. Let us try some other examples like string. Okay, let us say string duplicates. Let me take an example. String str equal to. Okay, let me take this value. Now in this, p is duplicated for how many times?
No, nothing, sir. No
Zero,
duplication. Zero.
Only
Zero.
M, sir. Duplicate.
Yeah.
P ఎన్నిసార్లు ఉందమ్మా?
One time,
Only
sir.
one time.
Only one
One
time.
time, right? Yeah, there again. P is there for how many times? One time.
One time.
R is there for?
Two times.
Two times.
Yeah, O is there for one time.
One.
C is for two times, right?
Yes,
A
sir.
for one time, M for two times.
Two
Like,
times.
maybe can we write a logic for that? Each character repeated for how many times?
Oh my God.
Yeah, this also same logic. First you tell me how to write
For-
starting from first character to last.
For
Hmm.
I equal to zero.
Zero.
I
I
equal to 0.
0
I less than
Less.
String length.
string
String dot length.
and
I plus
Plus plus.
Okay. Okay, if I will take one character. If I take P తీసుకున్నాను అనుకుంటున్నా. If I take P, I have to check, right? P is again there or not. Remember, P again P is there or not. I need to compare. Yes, all of you. If I take P, I have to compare with again, right? Whether P is there or not.
With all the characters.
Yeah, that means you have to compare P from which character, ma?
Zero.
You are comparing
Zero.
from which position, right?
Zero position.
Zero.
And P I have to
Zero.
compare with.
Second, third, all the positions.
Yeah, P I have to compare with R.
Condition.
Yeah.
Then P I have to compare with O. P I have to compare with G. Yeah, if anywhere again matches, I have to increment. Otherwise, no increment, right? And if I have to compare P with R, then O, then G, then that means I need one more loop to iterate from for all the characters, right?
Yes, sir.
But inside this, I need one more loop for int. Okay, that is I. Can I take J? J equal to J
Zero.
should start from where, ma?
One. One.
One na? Zero na?
Zero.
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 Zero means again P. Will you compare with P only?
Okay.
No, sir. One time.
Okay. Okay. J is equals to 1.
ఏమో జీరో చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి. ఓకే అనుకున్నాం. Okay, what is that? J less than str dot length. So what did I write? J plus plus, right? Yeah, I need one variable for counting purpose, right?
C.
Initially, what is count? I will take
Zero.
Yeah, at least if I take one single character, that is there at least one time, right? If I take P at least one time is there, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm taking one.
One. Okay.
What is that you are comparing? If str dot character 5 is equal to
J.
J కాదు.
Okay.
str డాట్ క్యారెట్ ఆఫ్ J కదమ్మా.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
J అంటే ఏముంటది? J will be only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right?
Yes, yes.
ఇప్పుడు str ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫర్ లో ఈ మెయిన్ లూప్ లో when I is 0, when I is 0, I less than length of the string, కరెక్టే కదా? ఏం I equal to 0, I less than str dot length, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It will go inside.
That it will go inside. Inside this for loop again will run from 0 to length of string, right?
Yes.
Now tell me what you are comparing.
characters.
str of I is P. P again you are comparing with P only, right? Do you have to compare P with P again?
Not required.
No, you have to compare P with
The next member.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు what is the J0 నా what it is?
1.
Okay, ఇప్పుడు నేను 1 అనేది తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. Okay, so what will happen here? If matches, what I will write? Count
Plus.
plus. Yeah, now after this for loop is over, now I am displaying what is that? str dot caret of I. That means P, right? Yes, ma. Is repeated for how many times? Count times. Okay, right?
Okay.
Now you observe this logic. What is str of I first time? P, right? P. P we are comparing with R, right?
Yes, sir.
Then inside this for loop, P we compare with str caret of J. J is 1, right? Means what is that?
R.
R. P with R. Is it matches? No.
No.
P with O. Is it matches? No.
No.
Like that it is comparing. Nowhere matches, right? So what is count initially?
1.
1. So now I say str caret of I. What is that? P. P repeated for 1 time. Correct only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then next time, after this is all over, it will go to the main for loop. What is I will become?
1.
Plus plus, right? Initially I was 0, now I will become plus plus. It will become 1, right?
1.
R. Now R, again J is 1, right? Again J will come, R is compared with R only.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, right? What you should do? R should compare with
The next
Oh.
member.
O. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇదేమవ్వాలి?
2 hours.
మరి how I every time can I modify the program during runtime like this?
No,
No,
sir.
we can
J
use
is equals to I.
I.
J equal to
I.
N.
I కాదు.
I minus 1.
-1 కొంచెం కరెక్ట్ గా
I plus 1.
I
Plus 1.
plus 1.
Plus 1.
Now this is perfect, right? ఇప్పుడు I is 0 means J will be 1. అంతే కదా, I 0 ఉన్నప్పుడు J will be 0 plus 1, 1 కదమ్మా.
1.
Yes, sir.
Then I 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు when I is 1,
1 plus 1, 2.
1.
J will be 2, right?
Um,
When I is 2, J will be 3, right?
3.
Now perfect, right?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you run the program, but still some changes required, but you understood this logic, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what it is saying? P is repeated for 1 time. Then it has taken R. R repeated for how many times?
1 time.
2 times.
2 times.
R is there for 2 times, kadama.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
R is there for 2 times. Then O is there for how many times?
1 time.
1 time. Perfect, right? G is there for how many times?
2 times.
2 times. And till here it is perfect, right?
Which R is
P
repeated.
for 1 time, R is for 2 times, O is for 1 time, G is for
2 times. Now R again. It is.
again R has taken, right? From here, ikkad nunchi, from here it is comparing. R is there for 1 time, right? But this should not do, right? ఇది చేయకూడదు కదమ్మా.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
R was already counted. R was already
Done. It's counted.
counted. Again, we should not count R, right?
So,
Yeah, like that. But M was counted for 2 times. But again, it is taking M and counting. M is there 1 time, right? From here, M is 1 time. It should not do it, ma'am. Yes or not?
yes, sir.
Okay, so that means if one character was already counted, again it should not count, right? Okay, that's we will modify. But first of all, do you understand this logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So initially, what did we made? Count is 1 we made. Then count is
1.
1. So every time in the loop, what happens? If the character of I matches with character of J, right? That means we are comparing with all next characters, right? Emma, we are comparing with all
Next.
characters. If it matches, we are incrementing the count. Then after this loop is over, we are displaying, character of I is repeated for how many times. Okay. But this loop has some problem. What is that? If one character was already counted, no need to count again, right?
Yes, sir.
How to check whether that character was already counted or not? Okay. So that's why I will do one thing. I'll take one more empty variable, s2 equal to empty I will take. I'll take empty, ma'am. Yeah, what did I do? S2 is empty, right?
String.
Initially.
Uh,
Now I will do one thing. Before this counting, this logic is understood, right?
Yes, sir.
All this logic I will put in one if condition. If, yeah, I will write one condition. Inside the condition, I will write all this logic. All this logic I will write in one if condition. Same, the count is 1. This logic, I wrote one more if condition my here. What I will do is, I will check if s2 dot. How do you check whether one string contains a word or not?
Boolean.
No, no.
What is the method to check a string contains or not? There is a method, right?
Yes.
Contains.
Contains.
What is that I am checking here? If s2 dot contains, what is that? My str dot character of I.
Contains.
Yeah, if it is contains returns true or false, right?
True.
If it is
that's-
equal to false means if it is not there, if it
Then
is, if it is not there, then do this. But before doing it, can I put s2 equal to s2 plus str dot character of I? Okay, this error we will resolve it. Error we will resolve, but logic you understood?
Yes, sir.
We will resolve this. But what is the logic now? First time what it is taking P, right? First time what is the character, ma?
P.
Do s2 contains P?
No.
No. No, right?
Yes.
Now do it. Now s2 also I am joining, right? Now what does s2 contains?
P.
S2 contains P, right?
P.
Now do all these things. It will count, right? P repeated for one time. You get this logic, right? P repeated for one time. This logic is same, right?
Yes, sir.
Next time it will take what? R, right? Do R is there in S2?
No, sir.
No.
No.
What is S2 has right now?
Only P.
Only P.
R is not there. False hai kada? Now I will also put R also here. Then I will do the same logic. Repeater, right? R is repeated for 2 times. Next time which character will take O?
Oh.
O is there in S2?
No.
No, false hai kada? Now O also I am joining, right? Counted how many times O? Next time what is the G, right? G is not there in S2. I will also join and count how many times G is there. Next time I am taking R. R is there in S2?
Yes.
Yes, because R already there.
Already.
I said if it is not there, if it is false means continue. If it is already there, don't do it. Understood this logic, right?
Yes, sir.
So same thing, same logic, but I have taken one more variable. I'm checking whether this contains in that variable is there or not. If it is not there, then you put that value into this S2, then count it. Yeah, okay, right? Hello. Emma, this logic is understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But there is one problem. What is the contains method is taking? Contains method is taking a string. But what I am giving argument? Kadma, now when you take yesterday caret of I will take, what is the argument will take? Integer, right?
Integer. Yes, sir.
Caret of I is taking integer, but if I give a string, will it take?
No.
No.
No, it is giving error, right?
Mm.
Method caret will take int, but I am giving a string. You can't give, right?
Mm.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for character 5, what is the argument you have to pass?
Integer.
Integer, but I am giving.
String.
Yeah, that is error, right?
Yes.
Similar way here also contains what is the argument it is asking for string.
String.
But what did I give?
Character.
Character.
So that is mismatch, right?
Mm.
So what I have to do now? Can I convert this character into a string? Can I convert this into a string and then can I pass it to this? Emma, can I convert this character into a string? So here I will write string dot value of. What is that string dot value of is doing?
Boolean value.
Boolean value kadamma. String dot value of what it will do? It will convert this character into a string.
String.
So the value of what it is returning.
String.
The first word is return type, right?
Mm.
Mm.
What does the string dot value of will do? String dot value of
String.
will convert a given string or integer or anything into a string type.
String type. Mm.
My str dot value of method, what it will do?
String. String.
My it will convert the given value into a string.
Into string.
It will convert the given value into a string, ma. Hello.
Sir.
Value of method, what it will do?
Converted into string.
Sir,
Convert the
available
given value into string.
Into string. Mm.
Okay, string dot value of whatever the given value, it will convert into a string.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah. So now I am passing that as a string, right? Am I not understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Little confusing, sir.
ఏమేమి ఇంతకుముందు అక్కడ st డాట్ క్యారెట్ ఆఫ్ I అంటే ఏమొస్తుందమ్మా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డేటా టైప్ ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ మీ?
Character data.
Character.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిటర్న్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్?
Character.
Character.
కానీ దీనికి ఏం పాస్ చేయాలి మనం?
String.
స్ట్రింగ్ పాస్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి నేను ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని?
string value.
String to convert.
స్ట్రింగ్ లే కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటున్నాను. హౌ డు యు కన్వర్ట్ ఏ గివెన్ వాల్యూ ఇంటు ఏ స్ట్రింగ్? మీరు ఇచ్చిన ఒక వాల్యూను స్ట్రింగ్ లేకి ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తారు? ఇక్కడ ఒక మెథడ్ ఉంది.
String dot value of.
Value of.
Okay, sir.
There is a method called string dot
Value of.
value of అనే మెథడ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది?
Convert.
Convert
It will
into.
convert a given value to a string. మనం ఏదైతే ఇస్తామో దాన్ని స్ట్రింగ్ లే కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది అంటున్నా.
Mm.
So what I am doing here now? Whatever this str caret of I, first I am converting into string dot
String.
value of.
Value
So that
of.
I am giving here, right?
Yes.
What is that str caret of I that I am converting it a string?
String.
Okay, then it will check whether it contains a string means. Yeah, it is true. Otherwise, it is false, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది చెప్పండి? Now R is there for repeated for 2 times, but again R is not checking, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ num1 num2 ఏమన్నాయమ్మా? 10 plus 5. ఇదే what is the data type?
Integer.
Int, sir.
అదే system dot out dot println string dot value of
Value
num1
of int.
plus ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి?
10 plus 5.
In place.
ఏమ్మా ఇది ఓకే 10 plus 5 15, but what it will give? String dot
Sir, it will
value of
display.
num1 is converted into a string, right?
String.
It will give 1 0. 1 0
Number
plus,
values also are converted into strings.
String అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమై ఉండాలి? 1 0 plus 5
plus
ఏమై
5.
1 0 plus 0 5.
1 5.
No, it will print only 10 plus 5.
Correct. What is the output you will get here?
1 5.
No,
1 5
it
plus
will
No,
not give
no,
5.
1 5.
It will give 10 plus 5.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏమవ్వాలి?
Concatenation.
అరే 10 plus 5 ఏమైతుంది మా 105 రైట్?
Yes.
అరే నాయన ఇప్పుడు 2 నేమ్స్ తీసుకొని రవి ప్లస్ కిరణ్ అంటే ఏమైతుంది మా?
Okay.
Ravi Kiran.
మరి అదే అంతే కదా 10 plus 5 105 అవుతుంది కదా.
105.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what is that it is displaying? First one 105 right?
Yes, sir.
Because this is not 10 now, this is a string. String ante what is that? It's a characters, right?
Characters, yes,
0
sir.
10 plus 5
Character.
105, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what we are trying to do now, we are converting this given number into a string, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I will string that value of what it will do. Because last thing returns the string representation of integer argument. Whatever you give, it will convert into
A string.
string. ఇప్పుడు అలాగే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాను, one single character is a char data type కదా.
Yes, sir.
str.character is a, what is the data type of this
Character.
char? So I have to convert into a string. So what I am doing, string dot
Value of.
value of. So this character I am converting into a string.
Yes, sir.
String కి ఎందుకు కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అక్కడ క్యారెక్టర్?
అవునమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు కంటైన్స్ మెథడ్ కి ఏం పాస్ చేయాలి ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్? ఇప్పుడు నేను మిమ్మల్ని అదే కానీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కదమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు ఇండెక్స్ క్యారెట్ ఉంది, క్యారెట్ కి ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఏం వాట్ ఈస్ ద డేటా టైప్ వాల్యూ యూ హావ్ టు గివ్?
ఇంటీజర్.
No.
క్యారెట్ కు ఇన్పుట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్, ఇక్కడ మెథడ్ కు ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్పుట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ యూ హావ్ టు గివ్?
Integer.
ఇంటీజర్.
నేను ఇక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇస్తే
It will give error.
Character.
No error will come.
యా, దానికి ఇన్పుట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ వాట్ డేటా టైప్ యూ హావ్ టు గివ్ మా?
Integer type.
ఇంటిజర్, బట్ ఐ యామ్ గివింగ్ ఎ స్ట్రింగ్ రైట్?
Yes, sir.
ఇది ఎర్రర్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
మరి ఇది
sir.
కూడా అదే
We can
ప్రాబ్లం
use-
కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కంటైన్స్ విల్ టేక్ వాట్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్?
క్యారెక్టర్స్ కావాలి.
String.
Okay, we can convert.
కంటైన్స్ మెథడ్ కు యూ హావ్ టు గివ్ ఎ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి మా.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Contains method will take what argument? Character sequence. Character sequence means it will take a string. Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Sir, good.
Contains method ko we are giving input argument. Input argument we have to give what data type?
String.
String type.
String type ఇవ్వాలి. But str.character of I, what it will give me?
క్యారెక్టర్ డేటా టైప్.
One single character వస్తుంది. Which what is the data type of that?
Character.
Char. మరి ఇది error వస్తుంది కదా.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
What is that? The method contains a character sequence. String is not applicable to the argument character.
Character.
Okay, అందుకే ఏం చేయాలని what I have to do now?
కన్వర్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇంటూ స్ట్రింగ్స్.
I have to convert the character into a string.
Character
How to
string,
convert? దానికి
String.
method
In that value of
వాల్యూ ఆఫ్.
so whatever that character I'm converting to string and then passing to that method.
Got it, sir.
So what I have to do now here? String dot
వాల్యూ ఆఫ్.
value of, so that you are giving right str character.
character.
So that single character I'm converting into what data type? String data type.
డేటా టైప్.
String.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే కదా.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ప్రతి మెథడ్ కు you have to pass the, see అదే మళ్ళీ again you have to remember these things. If you forget, no use. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ప్రతి క్లాస్ మర్చిపోతున్నారు అనుకోండి, there is no use. You have to remember, right? But I told methods will take input arguments and methods also can return a value, right?
Value.
ఏమో మెథడ్ ఇన్పుట్ ఉంటుంది, మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం కమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు కంప్యూటర్ కెన్ టేక్ ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ గివ్ అవుట్పుట్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
మెథడ్ కెన్ టేక్ ఇన్పుట్, మెథడ్ కెన్ గివ్ వాల్యూ, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు లెంత్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దర్ ఇస్ అ లెంత్ మెథడ్. ఈజ్ లెంత్ మెథడ్ టేకింగ్ ఇన్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇన్ ద బ్రాకెట్స్?
No.
ఏమో ఈజ్ లెంత్ మెథడ్ టేకింగ్ ఇన్ ఇన్పుట్?
No.
No.
No, but what it is returning?
The integer value.
Now it is returning integer value, right? Here it is returning an integer value, right?
It is a
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, in case if you want to take into a variable, put x equal to str.length. Now x should be what data type?
Integer data type.
Integer.
Integer data type, right? Because whatever length I am returning it, I am storing into x, right? But length is not taking input, but it is giving me the
Output.
output. But substring is taking how many arguments? It is
Two
taking
arguments.
integer arguments, right? And what it is returning?
String type.
If you see this line, right? If you see this line in the help, if first word is a return type,
Yes, sir. Yes.
in the output, what it returns?
The string.
String. But what input it is taking?
Integer values.
Two integer arguments it is taking. Yes or not?
Yes.
They passes from 3, 9, I am giving 2 integers. And then whatever string it is returning, that I am printing in the println, right? The caret, on the caret, what is the argument it is taking?
Integer.
Integer. But what it is returning?
Character.
Char. Like that, 2 uppercase. It is not taking any inputs, but it is returning a string, right?
Yes.
So a method can take input, method can return output also, right? ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు str.character 5 I am giving the position I is what 0 na 1 na 2 na either p no r o ఏదో one character. What it will give me? Caret will give me char, right? But str contains will take a string but not a character. So then AJL, what I have to do now?
Convert.
Convert
I have to
into
convert
string.
it to a character and then pass it to the contains, right?
Contains.
Good, okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so string dot value of what is this method will do? Convert the given
Convert
value to
into string.
string like convert చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, అది ఏదైనా ఇవ్వండి మీరు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చిన స్ట్రింగ్ like కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తుంది, క్యారెక్టర్ ఆల్సో కన్వర్ట్ టు స్ట్రింగ్, బూలియన్ ఆల్సో కన్వర్ట్ టు స్ట్రింగ్, ఎనీథింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటు ఎ స్ట్రింగ్. ఓకే,
Okay.
Yes.
yeah. So methods, method input arguments, method return value. So when you place a cursor on any of the method, I think when I was giving the first day, I think when I was explaining this example, yeah, this example. So how do you know when you are writing a method? How do you know what input you have to pass? Because when you place a cursor, it will ask me, right, what input I have to give. So this method is taking one integer value, right?
Yes.
So I have to pass the integer value, right? What position value you want? So you give the number. So whatever number you give, it will give the character at the given position, right?
Yes, sir.
It will give you one character at the given position. Okay. But contains what is the argument it is taking? Character sequence, right? Yeah, but character sequence and what is the meaning now?
String.
And
String.
And what it returns?
Boolean.
Boolean.
Yeah, true or false kada? Then other check Jason. What did I check here? If it contains equal to false, if false aithe, then you do like this. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, next like this. But if I write string str equal to, but for example, this is web application testing using WebDriver. Yeah, like that if I'm taking. But I want to count how many times web is repeated in that. Am I put a given string low web any repeat in the
2 times.
Yeah. So how to write a logic to count how many times web is there? Okay. So what is the index of will do? Index of ఏం చేస్తుందమ్మా?
string
ఇక్కడ రాశాను కదమ్మా.
Position of the
Words,
position.
character and words.
Yeah, character and our word.
Get the position of the
not
character or
found
word.
Yeah, it will give the first occurrence of the character or word, right?
Yes.
Well, if not found, it will return -1. Then it will give me the first occurrence of the R, right? R ఎక్కడ ఉంది మా ఇందులో?
second position.
Second position.
Correct. Index ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది? 0, right?
0, first position.
R is at
One.
which position?
1.
1 position, right? The last, what is it giving? 1, right?
Mm.
Well, in case if not found, it will give
-1.
-1, right? Yeah. Okay. I'll do one thing. Can I start searching for web? From which position? First, web గురించి ఎక్కడి, from which position we will start for web?
0.
From 0 position, right?
Mm.
So can I take initially into p equal to 0? Yeah. But now, 1 minute. Already initialization is done, right? Here already initialization is done into p equal to 0. Will I initialize again?
Not required.
No, that's why I put empty semicolon.
Yes.
Yeah, empty semicolon means initially it is already initialization is done p equal to 0. Now again I don't want to initialize.
Okay.
What is the condition I will give? Condition is okay.
P
I
less
want to
than
continue till web is not found. Till web is not found. If it is found, I have to continue, right?
yes, sir.
Not found means in the index of will give -1. Gadama?
Yes, sir.
Can I write? str dot index of str dot index of. What is the word I want to search for?
Web.
Starting from which position?
0.
Correct. Always it's not 0. I will give p position. I search for web from p position.
Okay.
If it is not equal to -1, right? It is not equal to
Yes.
-1. Now tell me, initially when I started from 0 position, where is the web found? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8th position.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Initially, what is this will give 8, right?
8.
8 not equal to -1, correct?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yeah, 8 not equal to -1, correct only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, can I also take one more variable? Initially, count equal to 0. Can I say count plus plus? Yeah, initially, what is count? Count is 0, right? Count
Yes.
plus plus.
Count
No,
means
first-
count అంటే ఎన్నిసార్లు కౌంట్ చేస్తుంది అంటే
చూద్దాం ఎన్నిసార్లు కౌంట్ చేస్తుంది. Let me explain.
Yes.
Initially, we started from 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Web is found here at which position?
8.
Now 8 is not equal to -1, correct only, right?
Yes.
Continue. And how much count has become?
1.
1, right?
Mm.
Okay, next time again from where I have to start, Chapandi? Will you start again searching from 0 position?
No, sir. 1.
1 ante I have to start from here, H nunchi.
Yes.
If you start from H, again web is found at 8th position, right?
The next position 9.
If you start, కొంచెం లాజికల్ గా ఆలోచించమ్మా. If I start from 1, If I start from 1, again web is found at 8th position, right?
Yes, sir.
Then again count will become plus plus, right?
No, not needed.
Yeah, if you start from 2, from here if you start, again web is found at 8th position. So same web, how many times you are counting?
8 times. Sir.
That is
Seven.
not correct. So first time we start from 0, next time from where we have to start?
9.
9th position.
9th position. And found
Ninth.
position plus 1, right?
Ah,
From here we have to start, yes or not?
yes.
Oh, you are traveling on the road. You are going on the road. Okay, this is the road. Okay, suppose there is one snake. Okay, here also there is a snake. Here also there is a snake. I'm asking you to count how many snakes are there on the way.
3.
3.
Yeah, first you start from here, right?
Yes, sir.
First starting point idi kada.
Yes.
0.
You found a snake here. After finding, next time where will you start searching again?
Second.
Second and mala any kuchika nunchi start chestar malli?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
మరి చెప్పండి మా లాజికల్ గా చిన్న కామన్ సెన్సే కదా ఇవి కాదమ్మా ఇక్కడ స్నేక్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఎనికి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారా
No, sir.
మరి ఎక్కడి నుంచి వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ అగైన్ ఫ్రమ్
From next step.
అంటే ఫౌండ్ పొజిషన్ ప్లస్ 1 ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ రైట్
Yes, sir.
all of you, do you understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So initially you start from 0 position. If you found a snake here, you are counting 1 time. Then next you have to start counting from here, right? You don't come back. You don't come back and again start from here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you have to start your journey from found position plus here, right? You continue your journey from here.
Yes, sir.
Again you found a snake here, second snake. Again you start your journey from the next leg, right?
Second round plus.
Not again coming from beginning, yes or not?
Yes, sir.
So same way what you should do here now. You have to change P to found position plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is okay, ma. What is that we are doing here? So next position where we have to change. Initially P is 0, but again I have to change to P equal to where I have to change.
0 plus 1.
Not 0 plus 1, ma. 0 plus 1 అంటే ఏమవుతుందమ్మా?
P plus 1.
Plus 1 అంటే మళ్ళీ 1 అవుతుంది.
Yes, yes.
That means you start from H, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
అది కాదు కదా. What I am asking you? Found position plus 1, right?
Yes, yes.
Found position ఏది ఇది కదా. This is the found position, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this position will give? Found position, right? Yesterday at index of web comma P, what is the position it found first time? 8, right? 8 plus 1, how much it will become?
9.
That means it will start searching from 9th position, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then after that again where it will start again? It will start from E. Next time where web is found? Web is found here, right, at some position. 8 అయితే 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, somewhere around. Okay, ఏదో number 20 అనుకున్నామా?
Yes.
Okay, now again count 20 is not equal to -1, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will become what? How much it will become now? Earlier, how much count earlier?
What time?
1, sir. 1.
Now again web is found here. How much it will become?
So it will become 2. 2.
2. Then again where the P will change to? P equal to found position. This
28
found
plus,
position plus 1 means from here it will start, right?
28 plus 1, 29.
ఇక్కడ నుంచి start అవుతుంది. Journey will start from here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In this journey, do web is found?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not found means what it will give?
0,
-1.
Yeah, -1. My index of method, what it will do?
-1.
We clearly told if it is found, it will give position. If not found, it will return -1, right?
Yes, sir.
But index of what it will do? It will give -1, right?
Hmm.
Then what is the condition I wrote? If it is not -1 means continue. If it is -1 means stop the loop, right?
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Two-way loop.
So now totally how many times this loop has iterated for?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times. Finally when I display, so what do you call here? Web is repeated for how many times?
And
Whatever it
Count.
is count, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah. Now it is there for 2 times, right? So you have to remember these methods, what we discussed in the class. So you need to spend extra time. You have to learn these things. Okay, when you discuss the method, say the index of what it will do. Index of method will check for a given word, right, in a string. If it is found, it will give you the position. Yeah, if no such value exists, then it returns
-1 is not
minus
true.
1. So what did we said? First time we are starting our journey from 0 position. Yes, sir. First time we are starting our journey from
0 positions.
0 position where web is found.
8 positions.
From 0 position, web is found at 8th position. So definitely 8 is not -1, right? Correctly,
Yes.
not -1. So it will continue. Count will become 1. Next time where the P position will change? Found
8.
position +1 and 8 + 1, 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Our journey should start from 9th position, right?
Yes.
So again, web is found at, let's say, some position. Now again, our journey should start from here, right? So when your journey started from here, in this, whatever highlighted, in this web is found?
No, sir.
No, that means I said if it is not equal to -1, continue, right? If it is -1, it has to stop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's a simple method and simple loop statement. No? Please go through this. Okay. Yeah. So if you have not understood, you please let me know. You practice, you go through the YouTube videos, you have to learn and you have to study. Right. If you think that just by seeing the programs, if you think that this is nonsense, headache and maneste, then I cannot help. Okay. Because you need to get a job in testing automation, you have to learn. So maybe I'm not saying this is the only approach you have to learn. Whatever way of style of your own way of style of learning, you need to learn. If not understood, you ask me, I can explain. Okay. But you need to learn, right? So not like a manual testing. Manual testing means what you do? You have to write only test case. You have to sit in front of the computer and you have to do it, right? Just my automation means you need to think the logic, right?
Yes, sir.
My logic analyze చేయడం తెలియాలి కదా. You should know how to analyze the logic. So a problem is that you need to think, right? You need to analyze the logic, how to build a coding for this. So that you need to develop the programming logic.
Okay.
You have to practice. There is no other go. You have to, whatever style of your learning, you have to practice. There is no chance of escaping that. Okay. Because
Yes.
automation means you have to think some logic, right? How to build a logic. What is this logic? I told you clearly yesterday. So first you need to remember, right? Some of the string class and some methods you have to remember. I was explaining, right? Some points yesterday. You remember that? Yeah. So if you want to build the programming logic, what you have to do? You need to remember some what you call existing classes, methods you have to remember. You have to remember the syntax. Like that I was explaining, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So please go through these programs. Okay. So and then you just understand the logic. You take a pen and paper and understand what is this method will do. How we are writing this logic, why this logic. See, maybe there may be another way of doing it also. Say logic can be always you can do in multiple ways. Okay, always logic you can build in different ways. Okay, so but you need to again spend some time. You need to initially, because who are new to the programming, you have to spend some time. Okay, if you are not spending time, Monday, that becomes difficult. Okay, so definitely you learn, because these are not new things. So only thing is that if you spend time, if you practice, then automatically you will understand. Okay. So like that, you try some examples. I will send in the mail, in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you try some examples, right? Like this.
Okay.
Examples. Yeah. So in this given string, right? Yeah, I mean this given string. In this, which character is repeated for maximum times?
O
Z.
Z.
O, Z, R, R.
RO.
R1. No?
Z.
Maximum is Z, sir.
I asked the question very clearly. Which character is repeated for maximum times?
Z.
Z.
Z is repeated for maximum times. Which character is repeated for minimum times?
P.
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 P, right? Yeah. I want to display which is repeated for maximum times, which is repeated for less number of times. Next, let us say, for a given number, okay, you display the multiplication table. Just, if you take a number, for example, yeah, I took an example, n, number n equal to 12 or 5 or some number you take. If it is 12, then you display 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 2, 12 into 3, 12 into 4, like that. How many times? 12 into
10 times.
12 into 10, right?
Mm.
Like this, 12 into 10.
Yes.
Yeah, so that means this loop should run for how many times?
10
10
times.
times. So that means you should take one more variable, right?
Two variables.
N is 1,
And
12. Okay, you should take one more variable I. I should start from 1. I less than or equal to 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
loop
sir.
should
I
run for
plus
10.
J.
And joining, right? Star. You say N. For joining, what do you use? Plus only, right?
Mm.
Plus star plus I plus equal to plus the calculated value.
Yes, sir.
It's another example. Try this example. Display the below pattern. Anything, either you can display stars or you can display like this 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Anything is fine. Logic is same, either like this or like this. It's a triangle pattern, right? Okay. So we try these 3 examples.